How to connect Bluetooth headphones to Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to turn on your headphones. Press and hold the power button until the indicator light turns on. Then, if your headphones are new, they may enter pairing mode automatically. Otherwise, hold the Bluetooth or power button for a few seconds until the light flashes. Now, you want to enable Bluetooth on your Android phone. For that, you want to tap on the Bluetooth icon to enable it. You can also head over to your settings, tap on connections, then tap on the Bluetooth option over here. Now, in the Bluetooth settings, you want to wait for your headphones to appear on the list. Then, tap on your headphone name to connect. If prompted, confirm the pairing by tapping OK or entering a passcode. Now, you want to play some music or video to check if the sound is coming from headphones. Adjust the volume and settings if needed. To adjust the settings, tap on the gear icon over here. And then you will be able to find these settings in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.